Imagine a new mother, gently putting her baby to sleep, worried and wondering if she's able to meet her baby's milk needs. Is she providing enough milk for her baby? This is a very big issue if you ignore it, but it's a very simple problem if you think about solving it. So, the simple solution is right on your plate. Today, we're going to talk about the 10 foods that you clicked on this video for. Stay with us till the end, because number 10 might surprise you. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and fiber. They boost energy in pregnant women and help to fight with fatigue. They also play a very good role in milk production. Leafy greens. Vegetables like mushrooms, peas, avocado, and kale are packed with calcium, iron, and vitamins. They help maintain body temperature and blood pressure, and they increase milk production. Red lentil. Full in iron, zinc, fiber, and protein, red lentils play a good role in digestion and support milk production in new and old moms. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is very beneficial in breakfast because it changes the game of milk boosting. Due to research, it is called a milk booster superstar. It helps moms who have low iron levels and increase milk supply for moms' babies. One bowl of breakfast is necessary every day. Brewer's yeast. A secret gold for breastfeeding moms, brewer's yeast is rich in vitamin B and other iron and protein. It's mostly used in lactation cookies to support milk supply and upgrade energy levels. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, bound with essential fatty acids, protein, and minerals that support lactation. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or blend into smoothies for a creamy texture. Nuts and almonds. A full pocket of nuts, walnuts, and almonds support fats and protein, which also help in increasing milk's quality and quantity. Barley. Barley isn't just for soups. It contains beta-glucan, a fiber that increases prolactin, the hormone responsible for milk production. Water. Yes, water. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but crucial. Breastfeeding can dehydrate you quickly, so drink up to keep the milk flowing. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on motherhood and baby care. See you in the next video.